Okay, now show me your eyes. Where is your nose? Ears? Mouth? Tongue? Hair? Where is your neck? Where is your arms? Where is your hands? Where is your elbows? Where is your chest? Where is your stomach? Where is your legs? Where is your knees? Where is your foot? Okay, now tell me. We see with our, we smell with our, we hear with our, we taste with our, we touch with our.